Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing the Oral-B Pro 1500, but before I do that I'm going to show you the old electric toothbrushes that I had. So this is one of the older ones. As you can see, it is very moldy, it's got the black stuff on it. This other one, the battery doesn't really work, so you can charge it but it doesn't turn on at all. So I've replaced these two with the Oral-B Pro 1500. So this one here is a bit more expensive than your very entry Oral-B, but apparently it has two functions. I'll show you those functions in terms of speed. So let me unbox this now. Okay, it comes with a case and it comes with your standard charger. So the standard charger is basically the same along with the other Oral-Bs, and there's the head. So this is the case, so you can carry it with you when you go overseas or when you travel. Opens it up like this, and then you just put in your toothbrush. So this is the electric toothbrush. It's a lot thinner. The grooves, basically it won't catch any mold, so it's easy to clean as well. It just fits like that. You can also insert the head in the case. Let me show you how to insert the case. I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so just going to open it up here. Okay, now that it's opened up, just gonna put it in the case. It does have this little ring at the bottom. That's just an indicator. If you're sharing the toothbrush, you can specify which head is used for which person. So if you're sharing the bottom section, then you can actually identify the top bit by the color. Then there you go. So there is another slot to put another head in there, and just simply like all the other models, here we go. That's the speed. So there's two speeds. There's a fast speed and a slower speed. It's already charged, so if you really want to charge it completely, the fast speed is pretty fast, and if you press it twice it goes to the slower and more gentle speed. So this is in comparison, that's the older version of the Oral-B, and this is the Xiaomi one. So the furthest left is the Xiaomi one. When you're charging the toothbrush, the green light will flash at the bottom. I'm going to show you the different functions. So as I mentioned before, there's two speeds. One is the fast speed, and when you press too hard, the red light will flash. So that's an indicator you're pressing too hard. That's another function. And this is the slower speed. So there's two speeds, fast speed and then the slower speed. Now if your toothbrush is flashing with the red light and indicator at the bottom saying that it needs to be charged, it means you're running out of battery, so you need to plug it in and charge it. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.